How to fix Twitter age verification error. Hey everyone! Are you stuck with that annoying age verification pop-up on Twitter, even though you've entered your birth date correctly? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix to get rid of that age verification issue showing up on every post. Let's jump right in. First, open your Twitter app and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then, head over to your profile page. Once there, tap Edit Profile. Now, tap on your birth date and update it. Even if it's already correct, just set it again and save the changes. Next, go back to your profile icon and select Settings and Support. Then choose Settings and Privacy. From here, tap Privacy and Safety, and then scroll down to Content you see. First, select Search Settings and turn off the option for Hide Sensitive Content. After that, go back and tap Sensitive Media. You'll see 3 options here. Tap each one and select Show All to make sure nothing is hidden. Once you've done that, return to Settings, tap on your account, and then go to Account Information. At the bottom, you'll find the Logout option. Go ahead and log out of your Twitter account. Finally, just log back in and that's it. The age verification issue should now be gone.